Good morning, ma'am, sir. Attendance, SFO4 Pakulga, SFO4 Sacote, SFO3 Agustin, SFO3 Libutan, SFO2 Uba, SFO1 Calpoforo, SFO1 Eder, SFO1 Pukoy, SFO1 Ridulia, SFO1 Kilap, SFO1 Wow, FO3 Baholo, FO3 Bonsato, FO3 Daayata, FO3 Romero, FO3 Salyuman, FO3 Salyuman Lovelace, FO2 Absedi, FO2 Aklaw, FO2 Andoy, FO2 Bagay, FO2 Balsar Sabuta, FO2 Buray, FO2 Cabalo, FO2 Cantila, FO2 Carbajal, FO2 Gabor, FO2 Las 12, FO2 Rabe, FO2 Romero, FO2 Sumingit, FO2 Trillanes, FO1 Alcesto, FO1 Bukingo, FO1 Cabigas, FO1 Caliso, FO1 Castil, FO1 Co, FO1 Damit, FO1 Escojedo, FO1 Garcia, FO1 Lagrosas, FO1 Lawan Edsel, FO1 Magsalay, FO1 Narisma, FO1 Ora, FO1 Ortizano, FO1 Ramos, FO1 Silaya, FO1 Te, FO1 Tenestrante, FO1 Ubalde, Engineer Baang, Engineer De La Rica. Thank you, ma'am, sir. To our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Senior Superintendent Franklin O. Ratunil, sir. To our Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Senior Superintendent Richie E. Fabre, sir. To our Regional Chief of Staff, Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir. Division and Section Chiefs, ma'am, sir. Fellow firefighters, non-uniform personnel, good morning, and welcome to our traditional Monday flag raising ceremony. The sequence of today's program are as follows. Invocation, to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, the Panunumpa sa Watawat ng Pilipinas, Panunumpa ng Lingkod Bayan, Firefighters Creed, BFP Vision and Mission, a message from our Troop and Information and Education speaker, message from our Assistant Regional Director for Admin, and lastly, the BFP hymn. And now, the ceremony begins.